Hello, today I'm going to show you how to update your Celeno device. This is an robotic lawnmower for your garden. First step is, of course, we have to switch off the device and we go to the highest setup possibility blade setup we can choose from. This is, of course, the anti-clockwise direction that the lowest area on the floor and the highest setting of that device is reached. Then we rotate our lawnmower upside down and we remove the two screws which are supporting the area of the battery cover. After this, we can go inside the machine by removing that cover plate, and underneath that cover plate we are able to connect our USB cable. This is a printer USB cable in the dimensions, and then we can enter this cable into the machine on the USB port, and the other side we have to connect to our computer while the Gardena update tool is running. If they're both there connected, we can rotate the lawnmower and switch the device on, and after this, a couple of moments, it will sign in and get an update version if it is available. It will be downloaded and update process will be done nearly soon, of course. After it finished the update process, we can switch off the device, and of course we can remove the USB cable out of the inner components, and of course we can reattach the cover, and we can connect or tighten the two screws again to make the lawnmower ready for the next job again with a new firmware. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.